Hello everyone. I'm trying to do some chores today. It's really nice outside. Want to be outside, but unfortunately I've got things to do inside. I am washing some clothes. So sorry. I don't have a tripod for my camera, so I'm just trying to prop it up here while I get some clothes washed. Don't know when I'll be making it to the laundromat, so I needed to wash out a few things I need. And luckily, being it's a nice day today, I can hang them out on the line and get them taken care of. So, get back with you on that one. Usually, I use a bucket and a plunger when I'm washing clothes out by hand, but I got them put away for winter, so I'm just trying to get these cleaned up better this way. That way I can be indoors in the van here, makes it nicer. This is the rinse. I didn't show you the wash. Okay. Where's the dog? There it is. Well, there's the laundry. Hopefully it'll dry. We got just a nice breeze today. It really is a pretty day today. I've been sick lately, so I don't have much energy, but really do want to get back out to work here as soon as I can. But those of you that do laundry like I do, please use biodegradable soap. It's better for you and it's better for the environment. We've got so much garbage going on with polluted air, polluted land, polluted food. It's just crazy. But thank the good Messiah for President Trump and this new government that's coming in. Hopefully a lot of changes will be made. Well, that's it for today, guys. You have a great day. Talk to you later.